Practical geometry. Hello everyone. We know that we require three measurements of sides and angles to draw a unique triangle. So, we can say three measurements were enough to draw a triangle. But now tell me whether four measurements would be sufficient to draw a unique four sides closed figure. Let us see through an activity. Activity: take two pairs of sticks of equal length, say 10 cm and 8 cm. Now hang them up suitably to get a rectangle of length 10 cm and breadth 8 cm. So, with four available measurements, this rectangle has been created. Now, just push breadth AB of the rectangle. Is the new shape obtained still a rectangle? You will observe that the rectangle has now converted into parallelogram. We have obtained this without altering the length of the sticks and measurement of the sides. Give another push in different direction, you will get new shape. That is another parallelogram which is altogether different, yet the four measurements remain the same. This activity shows that four measurements of a quadrilateral cannot determine it uniquely. Can five measurements determine a quadrilateral uniquely? Let us go back to the activity. You have constructed a rectangle with two sticks each of length 10 cm and other two sticks each of length 8 cm. Now introduce another stick of length equal to BD and tie it along BD. Now push the breadth. You will observe that the shape does not change. So, we can say that the introduction of the fifth stick has fixed the rectangle uniquely. That is, there is no other quadrilateral possible now. Thus, we observe that five measurements can determine a quadrilateral uniquely. Constructing a quadrilateral. Let us consider how to construct a unique quadrilateral given the following measurements. When four sides and one diagonal are given. When two diagonals and three sides are given. When two adjacent sides and three angles are given. When three sides and two included angles are given. When other special properties are known. Let us take up these constructions one by one. When the lengths of four sides and a diagonal are given. Let us see this construction through an example. Example 1. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RS is equal to 5 cm, PS is equal to 5.5 cm and PR is equal to 7 cm. Solution. First of all, with the given measurements, we will draw rough sketches that will us visualizing the quadrilateral. From the rough sketch, it is easy to see that triangle PQR can be constructed using SSS construction condition. Draw side PR with 7 cm length. Now take compass and fix the sharp end at point P. Then measure 4 cm radius with using scale. Then draw an arc. Now similarly keep the sharp end at point R and draw an arc of 6 cm radius that will intersect at point Q. Now join PQ and QR. The result is triangle PQR. Now we have to locate the fourth point S. This S would be on the side opposite to Q with reference to PR. For that, we have two measurements. S is 5.5 cm away from P. So, keep the sharp end at point P and draw an arc of radius 5.5 cm. S is 5 cm away from R. So, with choosing R as center, draw an arc of radius 5 cm. This arc will intersect somewhere at previous drawn arc. The point S lie on both the arcs down. So, it is the point of intersection of the two arcs. Now, mark S and complete PQRS.
So, PQRS is the required quadrilateral.